There's a moment almost every man remembers with painful clarity. A moment when something shifts and you can feel it before you can explain it. She used to text you first thing in the morning. She used to laugh at your dumb jokes. Conversations felt effortless. You could feel her energy, her curiosity, her attention. Then suddenly, everything changes. Her replies get shorter. Hours pass before she answers. Her warmth disappears and gets replaced with distance you cannot measure or understand. And the worst part is not even the coldness itself, it's the confusion. You replay conversations in your head, trying to locate the exact moment things went wrong. Was it something you said? Something you failed to do? Another man? You become trapped inside your own analysis, searching for answers while the connection keeps slipping through your fingers. Most men panic at this stage, and that panic is exactly what destroys whatever attraction was still alive. Here's the truth, nobody tells you. Women rarely lose attraction all at once. In many cases, the real damage happens after she starts pulling away because of how the man reacts emotionally to the distance, the chasing, the over-explaining, the need for reassurance, the emotional pressure. Today, I'm going to show you why women suddenly turn cold, the 5 mistakes that push them even further away, and the exact behaviors that quietly rebuild attraction without begging, forcing, or manipulating anything. Because when you understand what female withdrawal actually means psychologically, you stop reacting like every other desperate man she has already lost respect for. And the final behavior is the one that separates the men women chase from the men women emotionally abandon forever. Here's the mistake most men make when a woman suddenly becomes distant. They assume it happened overnight. They think her coldness appeared out of nowhere like some random emotional switch flipped inside her mind. But women rarely disconnect that way. Her behavior changed after her emotions changed. The emotional withdrawal always happens first. The shorter texts, the delayed replies, the emotional flatness, those are symptoms, not causes. A woman usually starts pulling away when the emotional experience of the relationship begins to feel heavy instead of exciting. Attraction is emotional before it is logical. That means she is not sitting there making a spreadsheet about whether you are technically a good guy. She is responding to how being around you feels emotionally. And sometimes, without realizing it, a man slowly destroys that feeling himself. It starts subtly. Too much texting, too much availability, too much emotional monitoring. You begin asking questions that sound caring on the surface, but secretly carry anxiety underneath them. Are you okay? Did I do something wrong? Why are you acting different? At first, you think you are creating closeness, but emotionally, she starts feeling watched, managed, and pressured. Then comes the over-explaining. You send long paragraphs trying to clarify your intentions. You react emotionally to every small shift in her energy. You seek reassurance constantly because you are terrified of losing the connection. Ironically, that fear is exactly what begins suffocating it. This happens because attraction depends partly on emotional space. Mystery matters. Emotional freedom matters. The feeling that someone chooses you voluntarily matters. But when a man becomes emotionally over-focused on keeping the connection alive, the relationship stops feeling natural and starts feeling emotionally demanding. And here is the dangerous part. Most men respond to female distance by increasing pursuit. More texting, more checking in, more attempts to force clarity. But the more a man chases certainty, the more pressure she feels emotionally. Suddenly, every interaction starts carrying emotional weight she did not ask for. When she feels emotionally crowded, she creates distance to breathe. That distance is not always hatred. It is not always another man. Sometimes it is simply her nervous system trying to recover from emotional overstimulation, and the men who understand this early are the ones who avoid turning temporary emotional distance into permanent emotional disconnection. Now this is where most men lose her completely. The moment they feel emotional distance, panic takes over. Suddenly they start double texting, calling more often, watching response times like stock market numbers. Every hour of silence feels personal, so they try harder and harder to pull her back emotionally. But desperation has a smell to it, and women detect it immediately. You have probably seen this happen in your own life. She takes longer to reply, so you send another message trying to restart the conversation. She sounds colder on the phone, so you immediately ask what's wrong. She becomes slightly distant for 2 days, and now you are sending emotional paragraphs trying to fix a problem she never even explained. Some men start apologizing excessively for things they did not even do. Others become emotionally reactive, passive-aggressive, or clingy without realizing it. What feels like love to you often feels like pressure to her. The reason this destroys attraction is simple. Female coldness unconsciously tests emotional stability, not in a manipulative way, but in a psychological way. When emotional reassurance disappears, your real emotional foundation becomes visible. And when a man panics, he communicates 3 dangerous things at once: insecurity, emotional dependence, fear of abandonment. Think about what she starts feeling emotionally in that moment. If a small shift in her energy completely destabilizes you, then your confidence was depending on her validation all along. That realization changes how she sees you. Attraction begins collapsing because emotional strength is no longer felt in your presence. And the tragic part is that most men sabotage themselves while believing they are fighting for the relationship. The stronger move is almost always emotional composure. Stay calm. Match her energy without becoming cold or punishing. If she becomes slightly quieter, you do not need to force emotional intensity back into the conversation immediately. You give space without emotionally disappearing yourself. You continue living your life instead of emotionally orbiting around her moods, because a woman watches who you become when she stops giving you reassurance. And the man who remains emotionally centered during uncertainty instantly separates himself from the desperate men she has dealt with before. But there is another mistake that quietly destroys attraction just as fast, and this one usually comes from wounded pride. Some men hear advice about pulling back and completely misunderstand it. Instead of becoming emotionally grounded, they turn the situation into an ego battle. Now the goal is no longer connection. The goal becomes winning. So what do? They intentionally ignore her messages to punish her. They start posting thirst traps online, hoping to trigger jealousy. They become passive-aggressive, emotionally unavailable, sarcastic, cold, or strangely performative. Every action carries hidden revenge energy underneath it. They want her to feel guilty. They want her to chase. They want to regain emotional power by making her feel insecure. But women are extremely intuitive when it comes to emotional energy. She may not consciously explain it, but she can feel the difference between a man creating space because he respects himself and a man creating distance because his ego got wounded. One feels calm. The other feels emotionally reactive, and reactive energy is exhausting. Real masculine energy is not loud, dramatic, or emotionally punishing. It is stable, controlled, calm under pressure. A mature man does not suddenly transform into a cold stranger just because a woman becomes emotionally inconsistent for a few days. He does not need emotional games to regain his sense of power, because his identity was never dependent on controlling her emotions in the first place. This is where emotional maturity changes everything. Instead of trying to manipulate the situation, you simply continue your life. You stay focused on your goals, your routine, your peace. When she reaches out, you remain warm without becoming over-eager. You do not punish her with fake indifference, but you also do not abandon your self-respect, trying to force closeness back into existence. That balance is powerful because it communicates emotional security. Silence becomes attractive only when it comes from peace, not emotional manipulation. And women can feel that difference immediately. One man creates tension because he is hurt and trying to regain control. The other creates space because he is emotionally grounded enough not to panic. The second man almost always keeps her curiosity alive because emotional stability is rare, and rare things naturally hold value. So what actually makes a woman reconnect emotionally after she starts pulling away? Not manipulation, not emotional games, not pretending you suddenly stopped caring. What reconnects attraction is the energy she felt from you before fear took over. Emotional steadiness, calm confidence, independence, the feeling that your entire emotional world does not collapse just because her mood shifted for a few days. Most men think attraction is rebuilt through more effort, more texts, more explanations, more emotional chasing. But attraction usually returns when emotional pressure disappears, when the relationship starts feeling lighter again, when she no longer feels responsible for managing your emotional state every time her energy changes. And whether women consciously realize it or not, many of them pull away partly to observe something important. Does this man completely lose himself when uncertainty appears? Does he chase harder the second validation disappears? Does he become emotionally unstable, reactive, controlling, or desperate? Or does he remain centered in his own life? That answer changes everything. A man who reconnects attraction understands that emotional energy matters more than perfect words. So instead of obsessing over her behavior all day, he redirects focus back toward his mission, his routines, his health, his friendships, his purpose. Not to manipulate her into chasing him, but because emotionally grounded men naturally become more attractive when they stop making women the center of their emotional identity. He also stops overmanaging the connection. Conversations breathe again. Every silence no longer becomes an emergency. He replies calmly instead of emotionally. He gives warmth without flooding her with attention. And ironically, that emotional space often allows her feelings to rise naturally again, because pressure is no longer suffocating the connection. This is where mystery quietly returns. Emotional certainty decreases. She begins wondering about you again, instead of constantly feeling your emotional presence pushing toward her. And human beings value what feels emotionally free, far more than what feels emotionally desperate. But listen carefully. Absence only works when your presence previously carried emotional weight. If the relationship lacked connection from the beginning, disappearing changes nothing. But when a woman once felt emotionally safe, emotionally attracted, emotionally energized around you, then emotional composure during distance becomes powerful because it creates contrast. You stop reacting like every insecure man she expected you to become. And that shift changes how she feels around you. The man who stays emotionally grounded during distance becomes emotionally unforgettable, because most people panic when love feels uncertain. Most people become reactive when affection changes. But the rare person who remains calm, warm, purposeful, and emotionally stable during uncertainty creates something extremely difficult to replace. Emotional safety without emotional dependency, strength without emotional coldness. And those are the men women think about, long after the conversation ends. Here is the deeper layer most men never notice. Sometimes a woman's coldness is not pure rejection. Sometimes it is observation. She pulls back emotionally, not because she has fully lost interest, but because her mind is unconsciously studying what happens to you when the emotional certainty disappears. This is where many men accidentally expose the very traits that destroy attraction: neediness, emotional instability, fear of abandonment, loss of self-respect. Think about it carefully. In the beginning, confidence is easy, calmness is easy. Anybody can appear emotionally strong while affection is flowing naturally. But the real truth about a person appears the moment reassurance becomes inconsistent. That is why even small changes in her behavior can reveal so much about a man's emotional foundation. Maybe she starts replying slower. Maybe her affection becomes quieter. Maybe conversations lose a little intensity for a while. None of these things automatically mean she no longer cares. But subconsciously, she is observing your reaction to uncertainty. Do you suddenly become clingy? Do you try to control the situation? Do you emotionally spiral because her energy shifted slightly? and this is important to understand. Most women are not doing this in some calculated or manipulative way. It is emotional instinct. Human beings naturally observe how emotionally safe someone feels under pressure. Women especially pay attention to emotional stability because stability directly affects how safe, relaxed, and emotionally free they feel inside the relationship. So when a man immediately panics, over-pursues, or emotionally collapses over temporary distance, the attraction damage often comes less from the original problem and more from his reaction to it. But the men who quietly pass this test behave differently. They notice the distance without becoming consumed by it. They continue leading their lives. They stay emotionally composed. They do not beg for reassurance, but they also do not become bitter or emotionally punishing. Their mood, purpose, and identity remain intact, and that calmness creates something powerful because it feels real. She becomes colder to see whether your confidence was real or performance. Most men perform confidence only while things feel safe, but emotional maturity reveals itself during uncertainty. And the man who remains grounded when emotional conditions change instantly becomes different from the emotionally reactive men she has encountered before. So if there is one thing I want you to remember after this video, it is this: when a woman suddenly becomes cold, your reaction matters more than you think. Most men destroy attraction by panicking the moment emotional certainty disappears. They chase harder, they beg for reassurance, they over-explain, or they swing to the other extreme and become cold, bitter, and emotionally reactive out of ego. Both responses come from the same place underneath: fear. But attraction often dies from emotional overreaction, not the initial distance itself. A woman does not suddenly feel safe, attracted, and emotionally connected to a man because he pressures her into closeness. She feels it when his emotional presence remains steady, even during uncertainty, when he can give space without collapsing, when he can stay grounded without becoming controlling, when his confidence is rooted in who he is, not in constant validation from her. That is the real shift most men never make. Weak men emotionally collapse when affection disappears. Strong men remain centered, purposeful, and valuable with or without reassurance. They do not lose themselves trying to hold on to someone emotionally. And ironically, that emotional stability is exactly what makes people feel drawn back toward them. The man who can stay calm when emotions change is the man women never fully forget. So from this moment forward, stop chasing emotional certainty so desperately. Focus on becoming the kind of man whose energy stays calm under pressure, whose life remains meaningful outside the relationship, and whose presence feels emotionally safe instead of emotionally demanding. Subscribe now, because in the next video, I'm going to reveal the exact signs she still has feelings for you, even when she acts emotionally distant.